You have a message from God.
Excuse me, sir, but I'm afraid someone is endeavoring to contact you telephonically. Shall I tell them to fuck off?
Aquí te traje tu tequerito. Chupa.
The F word?
Jew? No, he's talking about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass.
Kyle!
Why the fuck not?
Eric! Dude, you just said fuck again! Stanley!
Who?
Kenny!
What's the big deal? It doesn't hurt anybody. Fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck, fuck.
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... How would you like to suck my balls, Mr. Garrison?
Soldier boy, tough. I got the new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy. You gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, I'm in it hard. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman at home? Why me crank that Soldier Boy?
Why won't you answer me? Hello? This is your cell phone! What, do you think you're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little... Why won't you answer me? I'm not gonna ring forever, pal! And when I'm done ringing, that's it! You can say goodbye!
I may be small, I may look sweet.
My name is Chris.
Fuck off, you stupid cunt!
Ding 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding. Look at me, I'm fucking funny.
Fuck off! This is what a ringtone should sound like.